Hey everyone! If you're planning to relocate internationally from Austria and need to ship your personal belongings, you probably have a lot of questions, timelines, costs, and how to make sure everything arrives safely. I'm from 3 Movers, and today we'll walk through the smart way to ship your stuff overseas. First up, pack smart and start early. Give yourself plenty of time to sort, declutter, and pack. Use sturdy boxes, label everything clearly, and protect fragile items with bubble wrap or packing paper. This makes customs, tracking, and unloading much easier once your shipment arrives. Next, decide your shipping method. Ocean freight is typically more affordable for large shipments but takes longer, often several weeks. If you're on a tighter timeline, air freight is faster but more expensive. Your choice depends on your budget and how soon you need your belongings. Don't forget about customs and paperwork. This is a crucial step. Every country has its own rules for importing personal items. Accurate inventory lists and proper documentation help prevent delays and extra fees. Good movers can help you prepare these documents correctly. So remember, pack early, choose the right shipping method, and handle customs paperwork carefully. Those steps make international shipping from Austria far less stressful. For a customized quote and detailed plan, visit 3movers.com. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for practical moving tips you can trust.